next one, it says we're going to do it the same way, except there is an R, so it's a ratio, so it's geometric. We're going to use that formula. So, using the geometric formula, so I've got a to the n, but now I'm looking at, that would be the ninth power, right? I've got a to the n equals the first term times r, and then n minus 1. All right, so now though I know the ninth term is 52,488. I don't know the first term, and I know the ratio is 3. But n, remember n now, right? Because this is a to the ninth, right? I'm doing a to the ninth equals a to the 1 times r, and so that n now is 9 minus 1. All right, so you have first, last, first and last, first and last. But now my last is the 9, okay? Instead of 1 and n, first and last, it's first and ninth. Okay? Does that make sense? I hope. Okay, first, last, first, ninth. All right? If it's a 1 and an n, it would be n minus 1. If it's 1 and 9, it's 9 minus 1. Okay, so now I'm down here, and I've got 3, and basically 9 minus 1 is the 8th power, right? So 3 to the 8th power times the first term equals this, right? So what is 3 to the 8th? We'll just put that in the calculator. So 3, use your little up arrow, and then you get the 8th power. So 6,561. So 6,561 times the first term equals this. Okay, and then what do? I just divide, right? Inverse. So 65, 61, divide that on both sides. And so you get the first term is 8. All right, I believe that's what it is. So 52,488 divided by 6561. All right, and I get 8. So my first term is 8. Now I can write my explicit formula, right? I know that a to the n, the nth term, is going to be the first term, which is 8, times the ratio, which is 3. And then the exponent would be n minus 1. Because this is first and last. So that's n minus 1. All right. And then now if I wanted to find the fifth term, right, the 8, so 5, that means n is equal to 5. So put 3, and it would be 5 minus 1. And I'll just type that into the calculator. So that would be 8 times 3 is my ratio. And the exponent would be, I want the fifth term, so it would be 5 minus 1. So it would be 648 would be the fifth term. All right, so a sub 5 is going to be 648 for the fifth term. All right, and the explicit formula is that right there. Okay, fantastic. That was 6D.